For several years, machinery manufacturers have included among their ranges an offer called Compact Line, grouping together 5 compact, maneuverable and versatile vehicles. The backhoe loader, the compact loader, the skid steer loader, the backhoe and the telescopic handler. Michelin has become increasingly involved in compact line vehicles, offering a full range of tyres for these machines. In the context of this offer, Michelin is now launching a new agro-industrial tyre, the Michelin XMCL. The Michelin XMCL has been designed for telescopic handlers in agricultural use and for backhoe loaders and skid steer loaders used in the construction industry. Let's look first at the farmers who have found the XMCL to be the ideal solution for fitting on their telescopic handlers. The qualities of the Michelin XMCL help to increase the profitability of their farms. The service life of the tyre is significantly increased due to larger treads. XMCL also saves substantial time due to its outstanding traction capabilities and its speed when maneuvering. This driving precision is appreciated by farmers, particularly for intricate operation. With XMCL, the farmer is assured of comfort and safety because of the excellent stability that XMCL gives to the telescopic handler. Let's move from the agricultural world to the world of construction. We will see that the XMCL's performance is just as outstanding in this sector when fitted to backhoe loaders and skid steer loaders. The #1 expectation in the construction industry and amongst those leasing machines is the reduction of machine downtime. Michelin XMCL provides a perfect response due to its incomparable resistance to impacts and punctures. In agricultural use, Michelin XMCL has an extended service life and will be appreciated for its comfort and precision when maneuvering. In addition, Michelin XMCL offers up to 50% more load capacity compared with its predecessor in the range. Farmers, construction companies, building specialists and hire companies all trust Michelin to increase their profitability. Fit your machines with XMCL, the new compact line tyre from Michelin, to increase your profitability.
Michelin, a better way forward.